Sometimes no matter how hard you think, you will not get any ideas. Everything would be just blank. But randomly something will hit you. And you will have a new idea to make a video about. Before we begin, I have a confession. I'm not a professional Photoshopper. However, I am a professional PowerPoint user, and I'm going to make a cool digital poster using PowerPoint. So this is what I currently have in my mind, but it still needs more elements. So I went over to Instagram to get some inspiration. While waiting for that, I went ahead and started with the base plan. I imported a picture of my head to make the mountain statue. Then I stole a mountain to get started. I looked up some statue references to get some ideas. I needed to make a pedestal thingy for the statue. I know it looks bad, but it will get better, trust me. Then I added some trees and had to do the robot test. I then needed some kind of land, so I looked for some mountain village and town perspective pictures and found this beauty. Now that I made the base, it was time to see what Instagram had to offer. We got a lot of responses, even celebrity responses. So for the first response, which was a queen emoji, I decided to get royal people into my landscape, but I did not know what the proper word for it was and was struggling.
No! No! No!
Are you serious right now, bro?
15 minutes later.
Please, God, someone, please. Let me do this.
Then I finally got.
Yes! 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 Yes!
And then for these two emojis, I decided to make a cool cat statue. I came back to the ugly statue and got rid of the pedestal and decided to replace it with a smaller mountain. Added some trees and waterfalls. The statue was still looking mid, and I realized that stone statues had no eyes, so I stoned the eyes and it looked a lot better. Added some more trees and waterfalls. Clouds. Then I filled up the land with more royal people. And also added a fountain. I wanted to add some auras in the sky. I had to add a moon in the sky with a smug face. Then I looked up some references and decided to a blossom tree. I scaled down the cat statue so that it blended in better. I also added in a Chinese aesthetic for some.
冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，电视，所以现在是因为电视。
It's almost done, but I thought it could use some color gradients and more defined shadows and highlights. So I exported it over to my iPad. Firstly, I defined the highlights and shadows of the cat statue. Then I added glows to the waterfalls and clouds, and shadows to the mountains, and also more colors to the areas and its surroundings. I then gave more depth to the shadows of the royal people. And finally, more trees.
现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋电视，所以现在是因为电视。
And now, the final reveal.